What's up? It's Mishti and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mishti's Cero Gracias. How are all of you doing? I'm enjoying my vacation and I hope that you all are too. So as we all know that a few days ago it was Mother's Day and I really enjoyed celebrating my Mother's Day. I prepared a lemon cake for my mother and guess what? It was the first time ever I had made a lemon cake. The cake was super spongy and super moist. So some of my mom's friends asked me to make the cake again. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon cake for my mom as well as you all. So without further ado, I present to you how to make lemon cake. So let's get started. In a big bowl, add 1.5 cup of milk and add 12 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee and then mix it well. Okay, so it's mixed well. Now let's add our dry ingredients. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder plus 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And now sieve it well. Now add 1.5 cup of powdered sugar plus 8 tablespoons of powdered sugar as well. And now sieve it. Now let's mix all our ingredients together. Now let's add a few drops of yellow food coloring and 1.5 teaspoon of lemon zest. Now mix it till the batter is yellow in color. Now let's add 5 tablespoons of lime juice and mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons of more milk if your batter is not in the right consistency. Then mix it well. This should be the right consistency. Now grease a baking tin and add the batter in it. If you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Now let's pour the batter inside the cake tin. Now tap it so that all the air bubbles are released. Now finally keep it for baking at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Till then, let us prepare our glaze. Add 10 tablespoons of powdered sugar with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then add 4 tablespoons of lime juice and mix it well. If it doesn't form the right consistency, you can add more lime juice if you want. So it's ready finally. And now our cake is also ready. Place a toothpick in the middle of the cake to check if it's made properly. And yes, it came out clean, which means it's ready. Here I'm adding some simple sugar syrup. Oh my god, my cake is so amazing. It's not even cracked. I'm so proud of myself. Now I'm removing my cake. Yay, now I've removed it. Now let's just add the glaze which we have prepared. This looks so delicious. It's so moist. It looks so amazing, guys. I'm craving for it. I want to have it right now. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you like this recipe, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my other social platforms. Bye! See you next time!